Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. Guess what, guys? It is my birthday. Thank you guys so much for all the well wishes, all the love, all the support. It's just been an overwhelming day, guys. I cannot even put into words how I'm feeling right now. It's evening. I'm about to go out for dinner with Nats, but you know what, guys? It's just been an amazing day. Lots of love, lots of words of encouragement, and just a whole lot of blessings has been coming my way today. Big shout out to everybody who you know, contributed today in some way, shape, or form. If it's even just a text, if it's even just a comment, you know, I really, really appreciate it, and I just want to say thank you guys for being here with me. Not only on my birthday, but on this journey. Can't do it without you guys. I just feel honored, I feel blessed to have met you guys, even virtually. It's just been such an amazing day, guys. Again, thank you guys for all the persons who have subscribed to my channel, all the persons who constantly come into the comment section and, you know, just make themselves known. Big up on yourself. Sometimes it's difficult to put into words what I really want to say, but I just want to say thank you. It's much appreciated, and I'm just happy that you guys decided to come in all kind of YouTube. And yeah, much love, much blessings. So as I said, guys, I'm about to go on the road to have some food with Nats, taking you guys with me as usual. Show you guys what that is like as per usual. You don't know, so we don't go anywhere without taking you guys with us. So please smash a like on the video. Please run into the comment section and say happy birthday. You guys might be seeing this today after my birthday, but nonetheless I celebrate the entire weekend, so that's a vibe just the same. It's been an emotional day. Nats really go above and beyond to just show me how much you care, and it's just overwhelming, right? And I just want to say thank you, babes. You know what? It's appreciated. The simple things, the simple things, the thoughts, the effort, and stuff like that is really, really appreciated. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. First and foremost, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, enjoy the vlog, enjoy the scenery. Smash a like on the video, guys. See you guys on the road, okay?
Good morning, guys. Hi, guys. So today is June the 3rd, and today, yes, I just wake up. My name is Mr. Nothing, but today is Damar's birthday, and I want to surprise him with not no breakfast in bed. I don't normally get up and do breakfast because I go to bed late, and he normally wake up before me. So this morning I make an effort. I've set an alarm to wake me up early. So here am I. I got up early. So today is his birthday, and I'm going to do breakfast for him. So I know you'll be surprised. So yes, guys, he's sleeping right now, and as you see on the screen, you're seeing a note. I decided to put some little notes in some places that he doesn't expect to see them. I try to be little. You know, that's something there. I'm trying to do that. But yeah, so I'm putting it in the glove compartment. And throughout the day, I'm going to ask him because I know when he take lunch. So yes, guys, I'm about to transform a little part of the living room into a little, like a table, a little party area. It's not a party, I'm just going to have a dinner. But I'm decorating that little section, or this little section of our living room, to surprise the mom. Say hi, Malika. So this is my living room right now. It's a mess, I know, people, I know. I know, it is a mess. But I, I will be doing something. I will be trying to decorate a section, as I said. So yes, guys, these are some of the things, the decorations that I plan on using. There's not much. I got these from Amazon. They're like $11 and stuff like that. So I might say not to buy anything. I spend too much money. So yeah, balloons and stuff like that. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Open the glove compartment. Go on, go on, go on. Turn, you can't turn on now.
How you manage to pull it off for them too, yeah?
Because they were sleeping most of the time and them they watch cartoon. But
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Nisha said, go and sit. What do you think of it? We just do this for decorations? We just look fun?
Everywhere you have plan.
Come and sit,
Can't
please.
change.
No.
Babe, I'm hungry and tired, babe.
Sit. Sit a while for me. Just sit.
Sit right here?
Yeah, the chair is there. Sit.
Okay.
Sit down. Okay.
Yo, what's that? There's a good ad, mom.
Go add it. I'm not going to add.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Steam fish and baitings.
No, but I'll get no ideas.
Sheesh! Whose birthday is it?
Yours, not mine.
Sheesh!
How are these? How are these?
Ugh. Are you sure it's not your birthday?
When it's my birthday, you will go.
I don't know when it's your birthday. Babes, they look nice. Sheesh! Yeah, guys, so we are at our destination. We are at which restaurant is Canadian Brew House. It's a spot that we come to a few times. We like the vibe. Nothing too major, But we have been to most of the other restaurants and we kind of like get tired of it. So, you know, say this restaurant we don't come here nearly as much. So we decided that brew house it is. Brew house it is. Forward, guys.
Greetings from across the world. It's not Christmas, but it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Demar. I count it a joy, I count it a blessing to have friends like you. Friends who will put money together and pay bus fare. Friends who will put money together and pay toll. Friends who will put money together and buy a food and just relax, chillax and have a good time. I pray God's continued blessings towards you as you continue to just embrace life and just live at your best. You are an inspiration. I you say go getter. I you say anything the mind conceive, it can achieve. Big up yourself, and I'll drink for me and you all the way there so far. One of the good one them too. Big up yourself. Love you, bro.
Happy birthday, Demar. So, you don't know we are bridging from long time, and as a bridging, I know enough about you, and you're the only England fan I know, football fan. So, if England ever win, we know say you have alright to celebrate. But since Maguire left on the team, next 10 years I get joke. So, I have to say happy birthday, 1 year older and 1 year wiser, and keep being wiser.
I hope you have a great day, and I hope you live to see so many more. Enjoy it.
Bless up.
Surprise! Hi, happy birthday. I'm here just to wish you happy birthday. I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you all the prosperity and blessing that life has to offer. I pray that you continue to be the same ambitious young man that you are, and you are greatly appreciated. I hope you enjoy your day. I love you, I really do, and I miss you.
Mr. Anderson, happy birthday, me youth. Bless up. Wishes for many, many more. Don't know. Keep a link. Always forever. Naya Gaya, you see me? Bless up.
Hey bro, wagwan. Well, I'm there now. So I'm just want to take this opportunity because I know I'm not going to remember now. to wish you a happy birthday and just for you to enjoy what it brings and whatever it holds. And just want to say that you should just, continue doing what you're doing, being a great husband and a marvelous father to your 2 daughters. So, just enjoy your day. And yeah, basically that's it. So big up.
Hi Demar, wanted to wish you the happiest of happy birthdays today. I hope you enjoy. I hope you are reminded just how much you are loved today. Miss you, bro. Enjoy your day.
Greetings, fam. It's been a while. Hope you take good care of yourself and your family. Enough respect for your earth strong. Respect, bro.
Happy birthday to you, Demar. This is Miss Iris speaking. Love you. You're my son. I've watched you blossom from a fine young man till you become a husband and having family. I wish for you all the best that life have to offer. May you enjoy your special day. Love you.
Happy birthday, big bro. As always, you've been the backbone of our group. Although you're gone, I'll always still love you. And I'm trying my best to keep the family together. Love and respect. Happy Earth Strong. Mwah. To you, the kids, everybody in the family.
Up to you, my bro. Blessed and peaceful day to you. Keep it going, because you know you are the man. You always stand as the man. Keep it going, bro. Bless up.